The 2024 Mac Mini is a game changer. Here's why. What's up, everybody? This is Ishan from Smart Side, and today let's dive deeply into Apple's new Mac Mini. The first Mac Mini launched on 22nd January 2005. It was a game changer. So, right now, is the latest Mini worth a half a $1,000? So, the question is the Mac Mini. You don't have to worry about it. It is a small form factor device. More like it's the power of mini Macs right now. There is no place where their Mac Mini is. They are everywhere. They're connected to the MacBook, to the Mac display, and used for a wide array of ranges, from editing to music and to work and movies. It is designed for new info chips will be spoken in the a different video. It only has one color, which we all know, which is the minimalistic silver gray used from the near beginning of this masterpiece. The Apple M4 and M4 chips offer up to 12-core CPUs, 16-core GPUs, hardware accelerated ray tracing, and neural engines. Both supported advanced video formats, multi-display options, and high-speed connectivity with Thunderbolt 4 or 5 configurations, including up to 64 GB memory, and it has many connection ports, which are kinda a lot. They have all the stuff we possibly know, which will enhance the Mac, like three Thunderbolts, five Thunderbolts ports, USB 3, HDMI, and Giga Ethernet. And for the higher version, there is Thunderbolt 4 and 5, which are more efficient uh, and faster. So that's it. Well, no, the Mac Mini also works with the Apple Intelligence. Yes, with the actual Apple Intelligence, which we have already talked a lot. We've spoke in our like older videos. Basically, the Mac Mini can make your Apple Intelligence more powerful. So the only problem is just this biggest feature meme flaw on this device, the power button. Yes, and why it is literally on the bottom of this device, and it's dumb. I don't know what to do to talk about this. The power button is in the bottom, so that's sad. So that's it for today's video. New videos will be uploaded again consistently. I hope so you like my video. Thanks for your support. And let's reach 100 subs in a future, maybe by next year. So thank you. Bye. See you guys in the next one.